friends, it is me OreJesU and you're welcome once again to my channel. This is another episode of how to make surface pattern designs using Microsoft Paint. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is to make a canvas 500 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. We do it in resize. We click on pixel and we untick maintain aspect ratio and put in the figure that we want. So my canvas is 500 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. We go to the view and we tick the rulers, return to shapes. For a long while I've been using the curve shape, so I'll be going for the diamond shape this time around. So I increase it. It will be 0 by 100, 0 by 100, both vertical and horizontal parts. You have to make the sides equal. You can see the we Ctrl A, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. We flip horizontally. We have to seek maintain and transparent selection rather, and we'll go to the middle of this canvas. We click on the diamond shape and we'll go 200 by 300 horizontally and 0 by 100 vertically. If you have been following me on this my channel, you know what I mean exactly. So we Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We rotate 180 degree. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Rotate right 90. And then I go back to the diamond shape and I make another one. This one will be 200 by 300 horizontally and 200 by 300 vertically. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to the line tool. I did something similar of this version, a similar design. You make it straight, make a straight line. We go to this side, you make another straight line. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and we flip horizontally. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and we rotate 180 degree. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and rotate right 90 degree. So this is the design that we have now. So the next thing we have to do is to start filling the design. I feel I get this right. So for the design, these four sides, we're going to choose any color that we want. It must not exactly be a darker color. It must not exactly be black. Sorry. So let me use the and this color. You can choose any color that you want. But this is the color that I picked for this design. No, I don't want it like that. I want a brighter color. This the darkness is just so much. So this is a little bit okay. Or should I use another color? This is a little bit. Let me choose another color and see how it will look like. So there are so many colors, but let's just make do with this. So the next thing we're going to do is to open another page in Paint, and we'll make it 3000 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. We zoom out to 25%. We Control A, Control C, and we Control V. We keep on pressing Control V. All the sides are equal. The only difference is the color. We keep on pressing Control V, another Control V, Control V. So all the sides are okay. We Control A, Control C. We drag the canvas to 1000 pixels. We increase it to 1000 pixels rather. We're not doing any dragging. We Control A, Control C, and we increase the canvas to 2000 pixels. You can see around the side 3000 pixels horizontal and 2000 pixels vertical. So we have to redo this. Okay, we are okay now. We decrease zoom out to 12.5%, and we increase the canvas to 3000 pixels. We Control V. Yep, something is wrong with that side. So we are done. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like, share and give a thumbs up. Also kindly subscribe. See you on the next episode.